So, DJI makes drones, gimbals, and this, the Power 1000, a sleek, portable power station packed with 2,200 watts of output, but can it actually keep up with a content creator's daily grind? Let's find out! Design-wise, this is very DJI style because of the matte gray, because of the minimalist design, the intuitive interface, and even it's somewhat convenient to carry thanks to the handles on the sides. Not that it is lightweight, quite the opposite, but I would say the weight is manageable. And also a bunch of ports, couple of AC outlets, the traditional USB ports, and these two interfaces, SDC and SDC Lite, something I'm about to explain in just a moment. Let's go for a real-world test. My full creator setup on a battery. That includes a desktop computer, monitor, softbox light, camera charger, even my audio interface. The Power 1000 handled it all with headroom to spare. If you wonder why I had to get one in the first place, the area where I live at consists of a few big construction blocks, and there often are power outages. So right now the Power 1000 is mostly used as a UPS, a big one, and indeed the Power 1000 is a fully functional UPS when connected to the AC power with very good response time. Oh, and I love the feature about measuring the load. Gives me the chance to know exactly how much my PC consumes in still mode or whenever it is fully loaded. Apparently a pack of lovely sounding specs. And it's not just about the typical ports that we would find with such kind of power stations, such as the AC outputs and the USB ports. I promise to pay attention to those two SDC, the top one, and SDC Lite. Interesting for them, they can send and receive information that's besides the power output, which they would provide somewhere between 9 and 27 volts, up to 240 watts. This is quite remarkable. The purpose of these ports is to let DJI integrate in a better way their drone ecosystem, more precisely their drone battery recharging ecosystem, because think of the DJI Inspire, their really big drone line, having such kind of battery capacity being recharged at the maximum supported speed is definitely nice to have. The only trick is that you would have to buy DJI's proprietary cables, which can be costly. The other big advantage of these SDC ports is that they would allow power input, so you could buy yourself one of the certified solar panels and consume electricity for free. This thing isn't just about brute power, it is smart too. The DJI Home app gives you full control, real-time monitoring, and even firmware update possibility. Recharging is fast, around 70 minutes from 0 to full with AC input and the possibility to recharge via a Type-C port. Also, in many occasions, it can act as a backup for entire apartment or a little house as long as you're cautious with the load, because with good planning, it can feed a lot of home appliances and multimedia devices. Or can be a great way to power feed a good projector on the go or outdoors, or even let you carry on an induction stove in the nature and let you cook a wonderful breakfast without having to deal with fire. Just brilliant! So, after all this buzz and hype, where's the catch? Are there any drawbacks? Well, maybe a few of them. No wireless charging pad, no detachable battery modules like some competitors, and I'm going to link a video where you can see how to disassemble the whole thing. Not easy at all. And the price of the DJI Power 1000, well, it's DJI level, but it's whisper quiet and built like a tank. Even if you're not in the DJI ecosystem, this fits right in. Plus, I got mine at a crazy good discount, and I was ready to pay the same amount of money for a non-smart UPS. So the DJI Power 1000 isn't just a backup, it's more than that, it's already my studio companion. For those of you who feel that this is way too big and maybe way too heavy, there's the Power 500, which brings values at about 50% of what this can provide, but I very much prefer the 1000 model because of the ability to provide to close to 2000 watts, which would enable you to use most of the big kitchen appliances regardless of the location you place them at. If one day I start to go camping on a regular basis, this definitely is going to be topping my priority list, and already is a very nice peace of mind because of all these electricity issues that I've told you about during this video. Well, that's everything I wanted to share about it at this point of time. If you have more experience and some other use cases you want to share with everybody, comment section down below the video is the right place to do it. And also any sort of questions and comments in regard to power stations are welcome over there. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Michael, the Tech Mishka. Wish you a fantastic day and hope to see you soon. Bye.